Ever wondered what would happen if bees disappeared? It's a question that might sound far-fetched, but the answer could change the world as we know it. Picture a world without apples, almonds, or even coffee. Sounds wild, right? But that's just the beginning. So many of our favorite foods would vanish from our plates. Well, it's all tied to the secret life of bees, Earth's unsung heroes. Let's dive into why these tiny creatures are so important. Number 1. Pollination powerhouses. Bees aren't just buzzing around for fun. Every trip they make from flower to flower is a mission with a purpose. They're responsible for pollinating over a third of the food we eat. That means every third bite you take is thanks to a bee's hard work. That's fruits, veggies, nuts, stuff we see every day at the grocery store. Without bees, our diets would be a lot less colorful and a lot less nutritious. Without bees, crops wouldn't get pollinated, and that means much smaller harvests. Farmers would struggle to grow enough food and prices would skyrocket. Imagine walking through a supermarket with empty shelves, no fresh fruit, no crunchy veggies, and hardly any nuts or seeds. That's the reality if bees vanish. It's not just a food problem, it's a crisis for our entire way of life. Number 2. Supporting wildlife. It's not just humans who rely on bees. The animal kingdom depends on them too. Tons of wild animals depend on the plants that bees help grow. When bees pollinate, they set off a chain reaction that feeds entire ecosystems. Birds, small mammals, even insects eat the fruit and seeds that start with bee pollination. If bees disappear, these animals lose a vital food source. Bees are like the backstage crew, making sure nature's show goes on. Without them, the whole performance falls apart. Number 3. Boosting biodiversity. Bees visit all sorts of flowers, spreading pollen and helping a huge variety of plants reproduce. This keeps our landscapes vibrant and full of life. More plants mean more habitats for wildlife, and that keeps ecosystems healthy and diverse. Biodiversity is nature's insurance policy, and bees are key to making it work. When bees thrive, forests and fields burst with life. Flowers bloom, insects buzz, and animals find food and shelter. Number 4. Economic impact. Did you know bees add billions to the global economy every year? Their pollination services are worth more than most people realize. Farmers depend on them for bigger, better harvests. Without bees, many farms would struggle to survive, and rural communities would suffer. From honey to blueberries, bees keep food on our tables and people in work. They support jobs, businesses, and entire industries. Number 5. Warning signals. Here's the kicker. Bees are like tiny alarm bells for the planet. When bees are in trouble, it's a warning that our environment is out of balance. When their numbers drop, it's a sign something's wrong with the environment. Pollution, pesticides, and habitat loss all take a toll on bees and on us. Loss of bees means trouble ahead for air, water, and soil quality. Healthy bees mean a healthy planet, and their decline is a red flag we can't ignore. So next time you see a bee buzzing by, remember, they're not just making honey, they're working tirelessly to keep our world running smoothly. They're holding up the world's food supply, supporting wildlife, and keeping our planet healthy. Every bee you see is a tiny hero with a huge job. Protecting bees means protecting life itself. By helping bees, we help ourselves and every living thing that shares this planet. Thanks for sticking around to uncover the secret life of bees, Earth's real MVPs. The more we learn, the more we can do to help. If you want to help, plant some wildflowers or skip the pesticides. Even small changes in your backyard or community can make a big difference for bees and for us all.